Good morning, everyone. It's Patty. I just wanted to show you my first, one of my first fall projects that I'm going to be working on. This will be a very small little wreath, Thanksgiving fall wreath. I'm going to be using one of the green wreath foam rings, some jute string, some bows, these really amazing flowers that I found. I love them. Some really cool fall leaves, and this really neat, vibrant material. Oranges, blues, cream, white. Just really like it. And then I'm going to add in these little pumpkins with some little sayings on them. Put this all together, and I'll keep you guys posted. I am going to be using hot glue only, and pretty easy little project. Most of it is from the Dollar Tree. Some items like the material, Joann's, and other than that, here it is. Talk with you guys soon.